Want to secure your home with a smart video doorbell? In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to install the Ring Battery Doorbell. Quick, simple, and without any wiring needed. Let's get started. Use the included level tool to mark the holes where you want to mount your Ring doorbell. Drill the holes. Use anchors if mounting on concrete, brick, or stucco. Screw the mounting bracket securely into place using the provided screws. Slide the fully charged Ring doorbell onto the bracket until it clicks into place. Secure it with the included security screws at the bottom using the special screwdriver. Make sure the doorbell is firmly attached and aligned correctly. To hardwire your Ring Battery Doorbell, connect it to your existing doorbell wiring. Turn off the power at the breaker first, then attach the wires to the two terminals on the back of the Ring device. Mount the doorbell and restore power. The battery will trickle charge, but it will still power the doorbell. Hardwiring doesn't replace the battery, it helps extend its life between charges. And that's it! Your Ring Battery Doorbell is now installed and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.